online journey because I knew I can be more than just a stay-at-home mom. I wanted to pursue my ambitions. I wanted to create a legacy that my family could be proud of. When I discovered this step-by-step program online, it teaches me the skills to generate passive income. I wanted to retire me and my husband so that we can live financially stress-free, to enjoy life together as a family and to make memories. You can never get your time back, but you can start designing your life to have more time freedom to do the things that you love and to create the financial freedom to live life on your terms. You see, I love helping people. Now I can help moms struggling financially from all over the world by not giving them money, but by giving them the opportunity to learn the skills to create creational wealth with this amazing step-by-step program that is proven to help so many families. If you're a mom who is done struggling, who wants to start designing your life to have more memories, to have financial freedom, comment ready. I would love to share it with you.